What's up guys? What's going on? Do we even need an introduction at this point anymore? Let's just see what's going on with Ipsy. Actually, I did want to mention that I saw a lot of stuff about people kind of talking crap about the bag this month. I'm kind of ready to see what all the fuss is about. Alright, so here's the bag. This is cute. It's got just little people on it. I don't mind it so much. I don't like to spend time talking about the bag though, so. Oh. So they give you markers and you're supposed to color the bag. Who has time to do this? And only with 2 colors? Come on now. We're gonna color one chick with pink hair because obvious reasons. These markers don't even work that good. There we go. Anyway, I guess let's just get to the actual important crap. So it looks like the theme of this month is create. That's a cool theme, but like, ooh, this is the Glow Duo by City Color. It's a cream and a powder. Looks like cream highlight and a powder highlight. Ooh, dude, that looks dark though. Okay, well, now I have already highlighted today. I had to take my daughter to dance class, so I've already been out and about today. But I can swatchy swatch. Oh, wow, that's super creamy. I'm not big on cream highlights. I never have been, really. And this highlight, this powder highlight, I think would be too dark for me. Oh my god, way too dark. Like, I could probably use that as a blush or something, or a blush topper. But there's no way in hell I can use that as a highlight. Like, it's darker than my skin tone. The formula feels nice. Meh. Meh. I told Ipsy I'm like fair. What person with my skin tone can use that as a highlight? That looks like a bronzer, except it's like peachy, so it's not even the right color. I don't know, that's kind of a fail. I feel like if I wasn't already wearing highlight, I'd do it just for shits and gigs. Since I already am highlighted, I just... Next we have a brush by Scone. This is the large shadow brush. Pretty stiff. It feels like it needs to be... Whoa. There's literally like dust coming off of it when I'm doing this. It's like this is used or something. What? Or maybe it's just been sitting in a warehouse for a long time. I don't know. But anyway, it looks like it's meant to pack some color on. I do like Scone brushes. This is... Oh gosh, I've used it so much, the label, the Scone label is just like rubbed off. I think Ipsy sent me this one at 1.2 and I use it almost every day. I do quite like Scone and their brushes. This one may not be one that I reach for often, but we'll try it out today. Oh boy. Okay, next one is a cream pigment by Hikari. I've gotten 2 of these so far from Ipsy and this will be the 3rd one I've gotten. And I actually really like these. They're like creamy and shimmery usually. So this is in the shade Envy, which I'm hoping it's like a green color because that would be something unique. I'm always bitching about like not getting unique colors in subscription boxes, so. Oh girl, yes! Honey! We are so trying this out today. Oh my god! Holy farts. That's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so stoked. I never wear green eyeshadow. I don't really own very many of them. All right, next this is by Glossier or Glossier. I don't know. This is the mintbalm.com universal skin salve. So is it for lips or, I mean, a skin salve says like maybe it's a moisturizer. Oh, it's kind of like petroleum-y. Smells minty. I'm like already wearing lipstick, I don't care. Well, if it's not meant for the lips, I don't know what it's meant for because it feels pretty good and like soothing and it tastes good. Why would they make it taste good if it's not meant for lips? I don't know. That's like all I have to say about this, but it does, okay, so it does like feel really nice and I could definitely see myself using this. Last thing in the bag, oh my god, this is so small.
That's what she said.
This is the Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte. I've never seen a twist up eyeliner sample size this small. This is really interesting to me, but I've never tried their eyeliner before, so I'm excited. So that is everything unbagged. Today, I guess, to try out, we have that Hikari cream pigment, the brush, and the eyeliner. Let's just jump in then. Now, from my experience with these cream pigments, they usually apply best when done with your finger, because I find that when you try to do it with a brush, it just doesn't work because it's like creamy. It's not like powdery. Oh yeah, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I love this. I love these cream pigments so much. I don't think I've ever tried anything else by Hikari. I mean, if this is the only thing I've tried by them, like, they never let me down, so. Dang, that is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna throw a crease shade in real fast. I'll be right back. All right, cool. So that is done. And as I was doing this, I was thinking, I guess I can incorporate this palette today because I need an inner corner highlight and like a brow highlight. And I think I'm gonna use the Scone brush to try to achieve that. Okay. I mean, I prefer my brow highlights to be like, BAM! And this definitely isn't that. Looks better as an inner corner highlight. Yeah, that's actually kind of nice there. Well, you know, let's go ahead and be brave and try to use this crazy highlight under the brow and see what happens. Why did I do that? Yeah, too dark, way too dark. Maybe like as a lid color or something it'd be cool. God, no, it's not my skin type. It's not my skin color. It's like nothing. I don't, I'm honestly really disappointed in that. Like, I'm never really disappointed in highlighters. It's just like, I feel like Ipsy didn't listen to me. Maybe that is considered the light palette, but I mean, that highlight is not for anyone with a skin tone anywhere near what I have. So yeah, that's a bit of a disappointment, but let's try this eyeliner. It's by Tarte, so I don't think it's gonna be disappointing. Yeah, I mean, I like it. Not really much to say. It's hard to review eyeliners. As long as they glide and they're smooth, cool. Alright guys, that is everything that was in my Ipsy bag this month. I'm kinda torn here. You know, I don't actually mind most of what they sent me, except for that glow palette. I'll honestly probably be able to use that cream color here and there, but that powder highlight is just like, not right. It's not right, Ipsy. Like, what part of fair complexion do you not understand? I'm just kind of bleh. Yeah, this doesn't say it's supposed to be light. It just says the Glow Duo, so I'm wondering if maybe this is the only shade that this company makes. The bag, I think, is kind of stupid. Like, kudos, I guess, for trying to be different, but who's gonna do that? Like who? Really? Otherwise, I love the Hickory cream pigment that I put on my eyes. I think that green is like a gorgeous shade. The eyeliner is fine, the brush is fine. The lip stuff that I think is supposed to be for lips is fine. Actually, it feels nice and refreshing still. I put it on like 10 minutes ago and it's still like, yeah, I mean, I'm just like 50-50 this month. I think it had a lot of potential, but it let me down in some areas, so that's how I feel. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I will see you next time. Bye.